73 CHSL. Then coming to question number 26. 26 to 50 reasoning section. Now first one Japan 2026 and 2018. Now tell me what is the difference between these two. 8. And next difference is so much. Now 27. What are these two numbers 8 and 27? Cubes. 2 cube, 3 cube. 91 and 27. Ikkadanta Japan difference. Now here the difference is 64. 2 cube, 3 60. 64. Next one 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, and next one 6 cube, and next one 7 cube. Now 7 cube 6 minus 3, last digit must be 3, and 15 minus 3 and 1200. And so what is your answer? Choice to question number 26. The difference between the numbers are perfect cubes. Minus 2 cube, minus 3 cube, minus 4 cube, minus 5 cube, minus 6 cube, and so on. Then coming to question number 27. The relation between K and F. Now K and F, what is the difference here? 11 and 6, and the difference minus 5. Here minus 5, minus 5, 22 minus 5, 17. 17th letter is Q. Then coming to the second letter, Q and G. 17 and Q and G. Here difference and those Japan. Now 17, 17 and 7, minus 10. Here next Mali, minus and 7, minus 10. W 23 minus 10 is 13. 13 minus 10 is 3. Third letter is C. Q and C. Now among the given choices, Q and C, choice 3, question number 27. Then 28th one, Akhil travels 20 kilometers towards north. Now let us take this is the starting point of Akhil. From here first he walks 20 meters towards north. Travels 20 kilometers towards north. Then he turns right and travels 30 kilometers. Then right hand side 30 kilometers. And to reach his school. And again, he turns right and travels 10 kilometers. From here and from his school, he travels 10 kilometers towards his south. Finally, he turns left and travels 15 kilometers. And in which direction is he facing now? Now tell me in which direction this person is moving? Now east. East, that is choice 128. Now 29th one chapter. Now we need to arrange all these in a dictionary order. Dictionary order first ACA. ACA comes first 2 and followed by ACC. And 2, 3. Now 2, 3, and next one 4, 2, 3, 4. Next 1, and finally it is 5. Now 2, 3, 4, 1, 5 is the order in the dictionary. Choice 1, question number 29. Then next coming to question number 30, it is based on folding, paper folding, and paper cutting. First one manaki. Now from here to here. Now this is vertically halved. Then from here onwards. Now only this part will get changed. As only this part is get changed, ఇందులో మనకి ఈ ఎలిమెంట్ మనకి ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ అవుతుంది, ఈ ఎలిమెంట్ మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ అవుతుంది. But this will be remain as it is. అవునా కదా? And in the same way, then that means ఇది మనకు ఒకసారి వచ్చింది, ఇది మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఒకసారి మాత్రమే వస్తుంది. అండ్ ఈ రెండు ఏమవుతున్నాయి, ఇది ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది and again ఇది ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది. From this figure to this figure. Again from here to here, complete mirror image. Mirror image, hence this will be formed like this, this will be formed here, and the same will be formed like this. And now, which figure you will have? Choice 4. 30th it is choice 4. Then coming to question number 31. Now in this 31, 97, 32, and 84 and so on. Amma chesare emena? 97, 32, and 32, and 14, and this one. 14 is 28 allows Japani into 2, into 2 minus 3. Are you getting any answer here? No. The next one, 97, 25, and 14 if you observe here. 2 plus 5, 7 into 2, 14. 9 plus 7, 16 into 2, 32. And 8 plus 4, 12 into 2, 24. Mas saripindi leda? Entasep follow chestunnanu deni gurinchi. Then, now here the digits in 97 are 9 and 7. 9 plus 7 is sum 16. 16 into 2, 32. And in the same way 25. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 into 2, 14. And here 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 into 2, 24. And it is given in choice to question number 31. Then coming to 32. Now Pinky is taller than Priya but shorter than Reena. Now this Pinky is taller than whom? Taller than Priya but shorter than Reena. In between these two, Pinky and Reena. Maybe there are some persons, may not be some, because the word immediate is not given. And Ria is taller than whom? Ria is taller than Sheila. And Sheila who is shorter than Priya. Now Sheila is shorter than Priya, no. Isn't it? Now whether this Ria is in between these two, in between, or before this Reena, that is not known. And Reena is taller than Ria. Now Reena is taller than whom? Ria. Reena is taller than Ria. Hence Ria can be here, can be here, can be here. And together. And Ria who is taller than Pinky. Ria is taller than Pinky. Hence this is the order who is the shortest here. Sheila is the shortest. And Sheila, that is choice 3, question number 32. The next one, 33. 4 items are connected, and which 3 are alike means it comes under odd man out. Odd man out, tell me what is your answer in this case. Now hard disk, ED and flash drive, these 3 comes under one category, and now this is, okay, this is the odd one. Then coming to question number 34. Raghava is the brother of whom? Raghava is the brother of Kishore. Now Raghava is the brother of Kishore. Now this is Raghava. He is the brother of Kishore, can be written like this. And Kishore is the son of Pavan. That means these 2 persons, Raghav and Kishore, are the sons of this Pavan. And one is the wife of Ajay. Pinky is the daughter of Devi. Devi is the paternal grandmother of Ajay. Ajay, who is the son of Raghava. Now Ajay is the son of Raghava. Isn't it? Ajay is the son of Raghava. Devi is the paternal grandmother. Paternal grandmother means fathers or mothers? Fathers. Father's mother. Ajay's father is Raghava. Raghava's mother is Devi. Hence Devi and this Pavan are married to each other. Anagada. Then Devi is the paternal grandmother of Ajay. Pinky is the daughter of Devi. Now this Pinky is the daughter of Devi. This Pinky is the sister of Raghav and Kishore. Then how is Raghava related to Pinky here? Now Raghava is the brother of Pinky. Pinky, Raghava and Kishore are siblings, and out of which Raghava is a male, hence brother, that is choice 3, question number 34. Then coming to question number 35. Now 35 chesara. Now in this question number 35, now the code given to the word bright, BRIGHT. And the code given to the word bright is YCBD. YCBD, W and W. And in the same way, pain. Now the code given to the word pain is SDVU. And in the same way, what is the code to the word later? Yes, any answer to this? Now in this one, now B. B and Y are opposite, but yes, P and S are not opposite, isn't it? Then B is opposite. B is 2 are 28 and 23. My ela తీసుకోవాలి చెప్పండి. And B and Y ఇది 28 తీసుకుంటే -3 తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా, అవునా కదా, -3. And -3 R and C, and R and C -3 అయ్యే ఛాన్సే లేదు. And that is again ruled out. Then B and W 23 and 20, 28 and 23. -5 తీసుకోవచ్చా? 28 -5, 23, the last letter W. సరిపోతుందా లేదా? And next one R. R నుంచి W, R plus 5 is W. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? 18 plus 5, 23. I and D. I minus 5 is 4. And next one G and B. G కి B కి ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? 7 and 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. And next one H and C. Now -5 once again. And 8 minus 5 and T plus 5. Clear? Then in the same way P and U. P and U 16 plus 5, 21. A and B -5. I and D ఎంత చెప్పండి? Now I and D, here it is -5. And here N plus 5 is S. సరిపోయిందా? Then in this case, నా ఇక్కడ మనకి కొద్దిగా ప్రాబ్లమేటిక్ అయింది, అవునా కదా? ఇక్కడ ఏముండాలి చెప్పండి? +5 ఉండాలి. +5 అంటే G plus 5 ఎంత రావాలి? L రావాలి. L వచ్చింటే కరెక్ట్గా ఉండేది. +5 -5 -5 +5. And similarly here again +5 and letter. Now to this word letter L. L కి ఏముంది చెప్పండి? L plus 5. L plus 5, 12 plus 5, 17. 17, 12 plus 5, 17. Q is the answer. +5. Then after this +5, then what is your next answer? N minus 5. A minus 5 ఎంత వస్తుంది? V. A minus 5 that is V. Hence, and next one T. And T plus 5. T plus 5, what is the letter we have? Y. T plus 5 is Y. My question Japanese choice 2 is the answer. And next one, E minus 5 and R plus 5. E minus 5 is what? A. And E minus 5 is Z. And similarly, R plus 5, 18 plus 5, 23. WZ YVQ. Done with this? Then next one, coming to question number 36. Now in this 36, plus 5 minus 5 plus 5 minus 5 plus 5. It again plus 5 minus 5. Ikkada manaki plus 5 minus 5 plus 5. Then coming to question number 36. Now in this 36, how many persons are there? There are some 8 persons. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H are the 8 persons seated around a circular table and facing towards the center. All these 8 persons are facing towards the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then C is south to the right of A. C is south to the right of A. A is here, C is south to the right of A, C will be here. And F is sitting opposite to G. And H is to the immediate neighbor of C and G. H is an immediate neighbor of, and C is south to the right of A, and F is sitting opposite to G, and H is immediate to C and G. H is immediate to C and G, H is C and G. And next one, and if A is to the immediate left of G, and A is to the immediate left of G. Second possibility is ruled out. And then H is, F is sitting opposite to G, F and G are opposite to each other. And H is in immediate neighbor, D is south to the left of E. And D is south to the left of E, D is here, E is here. Then who is the person left over? B. Then who is sitting opposite to H? That is B, choice for question number 36. Then next 37th one. Now in this 37, now in this Venn diagram, then tell me which figure represents this one. Now bureaucrats, men and women. Now bureaucrats, some bureaucrats are men and women. Now if you take bureaucrat like this, men and women, but who are these? Bureaucrats who are neither men nor women, ayye chance unda? Ledhu kada? Hence choice 1 is ruled out. Then extrovert, men and handsome. Now some extroverts are men and some men are handsome. Hence what is your answer here? Choice 2, question number 37. Then coming to this 38, now in this 38, how many elements are there altogether? Now 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, 12, 15, 20. 20 can be written as 4 into 5, 5 into 4. 4 into 5 raste 1, 2, 3, 4, first letters are not matching. Hence 5 into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. First letter is T. TK, TK. Now T and K, next P is the middle letter TKP, TK. Now TKP, TK. Now TKP, TK, and so on. And what are the letters that is missing? PK, TT, TP. PK, TT, TP. Choice 1. 38, it is choice 1. Then coming to this 39, S has T. S has T indicates S is the mother of T. S is the mother of T. Then which of the following indicates L is the mother of N? Finally, we need to identify L is the mother of N. L hash. L hash means L is the mother of M. L is the mother of M. L is the mother of M, M at the rate of. M is the brother of T. M is the brother of N. That means M and N are the children of L. Now out of which L is a female. Hence L is the mother of N. Are you getting or not? Hence with the help of choice 1, we are getting the answer of 39. Then coming to this 40th here, no car is bus. This is car and this is a bus, no intersection between car and a bus. And in the same way, all these buses are big. This entire buses are big. Then some cars are big, no intersection. Some buses are cars, no intersection. Hence neither 1 nor 2, choice for question number 40. The next one 41. Now in this 41, now the figure is not proper here. Now it is a cube. Now in this cube, now tell me which is opposite to F. My F ka opposite again. F ka opposite G. G allows. Now here J tarvata em ravali. J, F and I they were in the clockwise. Hence next J తర్వాత F వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ J తర్వాత G వచ్చింది, అవునా కదా? Hence F and G are opposite to each other. Done with this? F and G, that is choice to question number 41. Then coming to 42, there are 6 friends sitting in a straight line facing towards which direction? North. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then G is sitting between L and H. H is 4th to the right of M. M ikkada unde H is 4th to the right of M, isn't it? And K is to the immediate right of H. K is to the immediate. Then how many possibilities we have? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 members వచ్చారు కదా. M and H is here, K is here. Then G is sitting in between L and H. Now G is in between L and H. And next one, K is to the immediate right of H. Who is sitting in between L and M? My L ki M ki మధ్యలో ఎవరు ఉన్నారు? Now the left over person, G, H, J. J is the person left. Now J is in between M and L. J, that is choice 1, question number 42. Now in this 43, now in each of this one, in each of these numbers, the second number is obtained by performing a certain mathematical operation on the first. Now 13 and 143, 13 into 11, 143 రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా, అవునా కదా? Then 18 and 16, 18 into 16, 288. And next one, 12 into 10, and this one. And 11 into how much? This is not a perfect multiple, or else. Now 13, 13 minus 2 is 11. 18 minus 2 is 16. 12 minus 2 is 10. 11, correct number ఎంత ఉండాలి? 11 minus 2, 9. Now this 11 must be multiplied with 9. 11 and 99 should be the correct number. And in the place of 99 is given 111, and that is the odd one, 43. Then coming to this 44, and Ssc Chsl leaves her home to go for a long distance run. She starts from her home and runs 4 kilometers. Now this is the starting point of Ssc Chsl. From here she travels 4 kilometers north. Then she runs 4 kilometers north. Then she turns right and runs for 3 kilometers. Ikkada nunchi right hand side. Now she covers 3 kilometers. Then she turns left and runs for a distance of 4 kilometers. From here 4 kilometers left hand. Finally she turns right and runs 3 kilometers and stops at the stadium. Now 3 kilometers. Now this is B. She stops at the stadium. Now to which direction is the stadium located with respect to her house? Now వాళ్ళ house దగ్గర నుంచి stadium ఏ direction నుంచి చెప్పండి? This is north and this is east. North and east, northeast, that is choice 3, question number 44. The next one, 45. Reshma was born on 15th March 1996. 15th March 1996. And which was a Friday. What shall be the day she becomes exactly 5 years old? 5 years old means 96 to 5 years. 96 to 5 years and the 5 years. 5 years, how many odd days? Dates were same date kada? And 5 years lo enni leap years unnai cheppandi? Now in these 5 years there is 1 leap year. Adi eppudu 2000. And 4 non-leap years. 1 leap year means 2 odd days, 4 non-leap year. 4 into 1, 4. And so altogether we have 6 odd days. Now 6th day. Now Friday ki 6th day ante, Friday ki 6th day 1 day backwards, that is Thursday. Thursday, that is choice 1. మరి సరిపోయిందా లేదా? ఆనర్స్ ఈ 5 yearsలో ఎన్ని లీప్ ఇయర్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 1 leap year. 5 plus 1, 6. Directly 6. 6th day is nothing but 1 day backwards. Thursday is the answer, 45. Then 46. Now in this 46, now 7 friends were there to reach their college in a particular sequence. S reached before R, S reached before R who reached before Q, R reached before. And they got the 7 members. And V reached before you. Now this V reached before you, U reached immediately before T. U and T must be together. U is immediately before T. And at least 4 persons reached after F. And after P, at least 4. Minimum 4 members must be after this one. After P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. కనుక minimum 4 members after P అంటే ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? P థర్డ్ ప్లేస్ ఉండొచ్చు, సెకండ్ ప్లేస్ ఉండొచ్చు, ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్ ఉండొచ్చు. నా ఇక్కడ ఉన్నప్పుడు కూడా మినిమం 4 persons ఉన్నారు, లేదా P వెనకనే 5 members. Minimum 4. Or P can be at the first place. Hence how many possibilities we have? 3 possibilities. Then V reached immediately after S. Now this V is immediately after S and no. That means S and V must be together. And V reached immediately after S. S who reached first and no. Now who reached first here? S reached first. S reached first, idi point, because V is immediately after this. Hence SV. Now SV are there, then after this V, R, U, and T. E 4 elements మధ్యలో ఇంకా మనకి రిలేషన్ లేదు. And next one, R is immediately before U, R is immediately before U, and U and T must be together. అవునా కదా? And the remaining persons R, U, T, Q in the same order. Then, who was the second last person to reach the college? Second last person ఎవరు ఉన్నారు చెప్పండి? T. T that is given in choice 3, question number 46. Then 47th one, we need to find out the mirror image to this. మా mirror image చెప్తారా? Then tell me what is your answer here. Now starting from this one, A must be to the right hand side. My A right hand side ఉన్నది మనకి ఎక్కడ ఉంది చెప్పండి? This is ruled out and this is ruled out. Isn't it? Then P same and 6. మా 6 మళ్ళీ ఎలా ఉండాలి? ఇక్కడ 9 అయిపోయింది ఇది. అవునా కదా? Hence what is your answer? Choice. Done with this? 47 choice 1. Then 48. Now 48 చేసారా? Now 48th one. Now in each of the second number is obtained by following 3 of the following pairs. That means odd one out. Now 48 and 134. ఎలా చేస్తున్నారు? 48 and 134. Now 30 and 18 ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? Into 3 minus 10 రాసుకోవచ్చా? 30 into 3 90 minus 10. Next one 18 మనకి చెప్పలేం. 18 into 3 minus 6 వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ మనకి 40 into 3 minus 10 వచ్చింది. Now 48 into 3 ఎంత? 140. 48 into 3 144 minus 10 134. Then what is your answer? Except choice 3. And in the remaining, first number into 3 minus 10 is the second number. And so choice 3, question number 48. Then 49th one. Now in this 49, in a row of students, Pratyusha was 8th from the right and Alok was 15th from the left. Now Pratyusha is 8th from the right and Alok is 15th from the left hand. ఇంతే కదా ఇచ్చాడు. And when they interchange their position, and ఇప్పుడు Alok ఎక్కడికి వస్తాడు? Pratyusha ప్లేస్లోకి వస్తాడు. And that means how many persons are there to the right hand side? 7. How many persons are there to the left hand side of Alok? 14. Then Alok becomes 24th from the left hand. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చే టైంకి 24th అయిపోయాడు. 24 అయిపోతే ఇంకా మిగిలింది ఎంతమంది? రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ 7. 24 plus 7 total 31. Now the question is about total. In between అడుగుతాడు ఒక్కొక్కసారి. Then the difference between these two, 24 minus 15 minus 1 in between. Then 8 members. Then coming to 15, matrix. Now in this matrix, now we need to find out the code to the word lead. L-E-A-D, lead. మా leadకి ఆన్సర్ చెప్తారు? Then what is the answer to this one? L-E-A-D, lead. Then in this one is check out the first element. 0 and 0, that is fine. And 21, 2 and 1, that is fine. 1 and 4, 1 and 4 is 9 and 5. 9 and 5. First element is common in all this, E. Next one 7, 6 double. And 7 and 6 is 8 and 8. 8 and 8 is, and 7 and 6 is, and 7 and 6. And the third element A. And 85 double. 8 and 5 A వస్తుందా? Yes. And yes. And 42 is not A. And here 34 is not A. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? And finally the last one 40 and 30. Now 4 and 0 మనకి ఇక్కడ రావట్లేదు కదా? 3 and 0 and 3 and 0, that is the choice 2. Done? And so what is your answer? Choice 2, question number 50. Now this is about paper number 73 CHSL. Clear? And next is quant.